My name's Tim Alexander, and I'm president and CEO of HomeSource Real Estate and Construction and HomeSource Builders. And I'm here to talk with you a little bit about the process of building or remodeling with our company. One of the first questions that's asked by folks that do an initial contact with us is, how does this building process work? The very first step, regardless if you're building a new construction or remodeling, is to do an initial consultation with our firm. In our new construction division, the initial consultation will be with myself. If it's in the remodeling division, the initial consultation will be with Melanie Lamb. We at that point in time will determine what those next steps might be. It's a little different depending upon your set of circumstances. We're going to walk you through our different departments here over the next few minutes and let you understand the entire process.
My name is Danny King, and I'm the administrative assistant for HomeSource. If you came into the showroom at HomeSource, I would ask you a few questions about your project, find out if you were interested in design help or if you wanted something more turnkey, and then I would guide you to correct staff member.
Hi, I'm Melanie Lamb. I am the project developer for HomeSource Builders Remodeling Division. I like to take your remodeling projects from concept to completion. You're in wonderful hands here at HomeSource. We have so many departments to help define that project. In my department, we will meet with you, lay out the scope of the project, work with the planners, developers on all the nuances of remodeling needs, and ultimately create that wonderful final project for you. We appreciate all of our fantastic clients.
My name is Jonathan Crowder, and I work both with new construction and the remodeling division in estimating and design. So the next step in the remodeling process would be for us to meet with you and come out to your house, take measurements of all the existing conditions, and speak with you about the addition or the remodel and all aspects of the project that you're wanting to accomplish. And we would take those initial measurements and start to develop the as-built plans, and then start to develop the new design based on what you're wanting to achieve. So when it comes to design for new construction, I would be involved in that process as well, whether you would have existing plans or you have your own architect or designer, or we're developing those plans for you in-house. We can do that as well, but I would also sit on the design team and weigh in on structural aspects and as well as value engineering, making sure that we're designing the home for your budget and giving you the best possible value, best bang for your buck.
I'm Marcela. I'm here in HomeSource as a designer, and we start the process after the initial consultation. Usually Melanie or Jonathan do, or myself. We go there and do like a new meeting with the client and listen to them very carefully and do some measurements and photograph and have the whole information, and then come here and do the first draft and present it to them, and then we have the kind of process to change here and there and do like a second draft, and then they decide to is done, and we start developing an estimate, and then after the estimate and approved for the client, we just start building.
I'm Albin Terry, and I'm Vice President of Construction for the company. Once your project has gone through sales, through design, and through our selections department, then your job will come to us, and we are the construction and production department. Your job will be assigned to a construction coordinator, who will be your first point of contact, and to a project manager, who will actually be building or coordinating the building of your home or your remodeling project in the field. Once we receive your start package in our department, we do an internal launch meeting of every project. So we sit down with myself, the construction coordinator, the design department, the selections coordinator, and our project manager, and we review all of the pieces and parts to the job to make sure we have everything we need to actually build your project.
My name's Heidi, and I've been with HomeSource Builders for 4 years. I am a construction coordinator. I work hand in hand with the project manager to build the house from start to finish. He's more boots on the ground, and I'm behind the scenes. I get all of the quotes gathered, I approve the quotes, I place all of the orders, and just make sure the client's happy.
Michael West, I'm a project manager for HomeSource. As a project manager for HomeSource, when the project gets to me, I'm the kind of the boots on the ground. I do all the scheduling for all our different contractors and making sure the project runs nice and smooth. Schedule all the inspections.
Hello, I'm Henry Snipes. I am Senior Project Manager for HomeSource Builders. From the beginning of the project, I've worked very closely with Tim Alexander on the site plan, how the home is situated on the site, working on the foundation. And from there, I work very closely with the construction coordinator, homeowner, and all of the trades, being the subcontractors, on building the home and making a product the way the homeowner has as far as a custom home.
My name is Susie Poteet. I'm the Chief Financial Officer here at HomeSource, and I am in my 18th year. And what I do for the company is I oversee all of the financials and human resources. And one of the things that I really enjoy and get pride in is doing the financial reviews for our clients. This helps them to see where they're at in the project as far as their budget, and it gives them ease to have this information. We do those 4 times mandatory on a custom home. We do it at foundation, then again at framing, and also drywall, and at the end of the project. And this helps give our clients, it helps them to have a really great experience with us, to have this information up front. We are very transparent with them.
I'm Amy Duckett. I'm the office manager at HomeSource, and I also process all of our accounts payable. From the beginning of the project, when the contract is signed, I convert it to our accounting system reports, I process payments, and I keep up with every penny spent on any individual job. At the end of a job, we present our clients with a notebook that has a copy of every invoice and every receipt that was associated with their job, and it provides full transparency for everything that goes on and how their money was handled. The number one comment that we receive from clients is how they appreciate the transparency of their financial process and how we manage their money throughout the course of the project.